Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back on your YouTube channel. This is Moaz Amir and you are watching info about Malaysia. So today in this video we are going to discuss another news from Malaysia, which is from the Bank of England. Bank of England tells the banks that get ready for the tougher times. In this, from the London, investment banks need to prepare for tougher times ahead by properly taking risks from their clients as a prolonged period of cheap money ends. Bank of England Executive Director Nathaniel Benjamin said on Wednesday, inflation on Britain reached a 40-year high of 9.4% in data published on Wednesday, and BOE Governor Andrew Bailey has said there will be no ifs, no buts. And when it comes to raising rates to quell rising prices and making credit more expensive for clients of banks, Benjamin said there is a generation of bankers who have only experienced a largely Bayesian economic environment when banks made very large profits, and now lenders have to learn to swim in a different situation. It is highly probable there are individual businesses or marginal players that have relied upon the easy conditions of the past decades who might struggle to adopt when the new tide comes in. Benjamin told an event held by the UK Finance, a banking industry body. Banks' executive management and boards should challenge themselves and think ahead about what their firm's place in this new world. Benjamin, responsible for supervision of international banks in London, said the collapse of Archegos and earlier this year suspension of nickel trading in London after the metal spiked to record highs showed that the counterparty risk concentrations were not being appropriately identified or controlled at banks. Many of the nickel positions were over the counter and outside Britain, and Benjamin said banks need to learn lessons from that. As in this video, we found that the Bank of England tells the banks that get ready for tougher times because it's not going to be as easy as it was been in the previous decades. So it's going to be new issues in the new decade, new problems facing you have to, because there is a great rise of inflation and great rise in rates. Thank you so much for watching my channel. This